print vasculature in native fidelity. Using the latest hydrogel biomaterials, these pixels can create organ scaffolds at subcellular resolution, sustaining the over 200 million alveoli and 8 billion cells of each lung. Inspired by nature, these scaffolds mimic lung extracellular matrix and provide oxygen through capillaries to support cells. Cells can be derived from the blood of the patient and reprogrammed to pluripotent stem cells, and then grown to produce endothelial, epithelial, and mesenchymal cells, which comprise the lung. Billions of cells are produced for each patient. As the cells come from the patient, the risk of rejection is reduced, eliminating the need for immunosuppressants. Lung biotechnology then developed a robust and validated technique called cellularization for populating scaffolds with patients' cells, bringing the scaffold to life and starting the process of healthy regeneration and repair.